morning to everyone present here. It's me Kritak Javat, right? Today to give a presentation on the topic circle and its terminologies. Introduction of circle. Circle is the locus traced out by a moving point, which is equidistant from a fixed point called the center of a circle. Equidistant means that equal in distance. This is the center of a circle, and its circumference, traced out by a moving locus, is always equidistant from the center. It's one of the properties of circle, and that is what makes a circle a circle. Here, this line, all are equal in length. Next slide. Circumference. The perimeter of circle is called circumference. It is the total length of the curved line of a circle. You see this curved line? It's its circumference. And as I said in my previous slide, any point on the circumference and the distance between it and its center is equal. Radius. The line made. Wow. The line segment that joins the center of circle and any points on its circumference is known as radius. Like this line. This line joins this point and this point of a circle. And radius is twice of diameter. Always.
Radius is not twice of diameter. Diameter is twice.
Sorry. My mistake. Radius is half of diameter. Diameter of circle. The line segment that passes through the center of circle and joins any 2 points on the circumference is called the diameter of a circle. Like here. This is the diameter, the blue line. Here on the circumference and here on the circumference. The 2 points are joined by this line. But any line could be used to join this point and this point. But that is not the diameter because it does not pass through the center. The diameter must pass through the center. And another definition of diameter is a chord that passes through the center of circle. We'll learn about chord later on. Semicircle. A diameter divides a circle in two halves, and each half is called the semicircle. If this circle was a complete circle, this line would be its diameter, and this line divides the circle in 2 equal halves. The area of this is equals to area of this. The perimeter of this is equals to perimeter of this. They are equal. Arc. A part of circumference of a circle is called an arc. See this circle? If we remove these all parts, what remains is called an arc. I define chord in diameter part also, but the line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference, P and Q. The line between P and Q join P and Q, but they do not pass through the center. They pass through any 2 points. So they are a chord. It is a chord. The region enclosed by a chord and corresponding arc is called the segment of a circle. This area, orange, is called a segment. It is divided by a chord PQ, created by. The region enclosed between any 2 radii and the corresponding arc of a circle is called the sector of a circle. ONA and ONB are 2 radii, and A and B is an arc. The space enclosed within is called a sector. And if we see through here, a line that passes through Q, it is also a sector, but it is bigger and we call it a major sector. Concentric circle. 2 or more circles are said to be concentric if they have the same center but different radii. These 2 circles, circle 1 and circle 2, they have the common center O, but this radius is different from this radius. So they are concentric. Common center, different radius. Intersecting circles. If 2 circles intersect each other at any 2 points, they are said to be intersecting circles. These 2 circles, blue circles and red circles, intersect at this point and this point. That's why they are intersecting circles. Concentric points and concentric quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. If we ignore these lines, they are all on the circumference of the circle. That's why they are concentric points. And when we join these points, they form a quadrilateral. And that's called concentric circle. Concentric quadrilateral. Central angle. The angle at the center of circle formed by any two radii is called central angle. This line and this line are two radius of circle and they form an angle 45 degree is given in the example, and that's the central angle. This angle is the central angle. Inscribed angle. An angle in the circumference of a circle formed by any two chords is called inscribed angle. This line and this line join at the circumference, and the line and the angle that is formed at B, ABC angle, is called the inscribed angle. Thank you very much.